सी एक्सरसाइज है थी जी?
सर 16 थी हमारी जुडिशरी की। और
आपने कौन
उसकी
सी की है
15।
जी? 700 की?
27 आप सीन करवाते हैं।
आपने कोई तैयार की है?
जी सर 27।
स्टार्ट।
चलो जल्दी से
टाइम,
मैच से बंद कर।
as we have remarked before, is the most valuable thing that we have to spend. Full stop. We can use our time or we can waste it, just as we can use or waste our money. Full stop. There is one very important difference between time and money. However, full stop, all the people who are reading these words on different amounts of money, colon, no two people in all probability, comma, would be found to have just the same sum, comma, down to the last penny, if all the money to which they had a right were put down on the table. Full stop. But everyone has the same amount of time. Full stop. We all have our 24 hours each day, and for every one of us, the hour will supply just 60 minutes of time, no more and no less. Full stop. The minute will give us 60 seconds, no more and no less, comma, and there is nothing whatever that we can do about it, try as we may. Full stop. Sometimes we long to make time pass more quickly because we are waiting for something wonderful to happen, and sometimes we long to make the time pass less quickly because we like the present moment so much. Full stop. Science, which has done such wonderful things, has not yet found a way to change this regular passing of time. Full stop. It does not seem certain, however, that time is really quite the same for every one of us. Full stop. It is true that we cannot get away from the seconds, minutes, and hours of each day, but it is possible that some people have a feeling for time which is different from that of other people. Full stop. This may account for the fact that there are people who seem to be able to get through a great amount of work in quite a short time, while there are others who, comma, no matter how hard they work, comma, seem to get very little done, full stop. This is not the result of any real difference in time itself. However, it is probably owing to a difference in a way that our minds work, full stop. If one person has a mind that is very quick, comma, that sees the point of some remark at once, comma, that knows the answer to a question almost before the question has been asked, then that person is certainly likely to do more in any given time than the person who needs to look this way and that before seeing the point of a remark and who has to think hard and long before being able to answer a question, full stop. That is a difference in the mind, not in the passing of time, full stop. सुनाएं जी समारा.
Time, as we have remembered before, is not most variable in not
मोस्ट क्या
that
पढ़ा
we
आपने?
have time as we have
जी.
remember before is
Remarked.
not remark before is not most variable, not that we
Thing.
have to spend this
Valuable thing.
valuable thing that we have to spend, full stop. We can use our time or we can waste it this as we can
Just.
use thus as we can use
All the people
all the people who read to our reading words
who are reading
words, full stop.
these words.
जी सर, these words सर इधर से ना मिस हुआ था वर्ड्स यहाँ से डिफरेंट most of
On
money,
different amounts of money,
different amounts of money, think to people in
No
the
to
not
people.
to people in the probably
in all probability,
in all probably would be found to have just some seen
just
just
same,
just same
some,
some just same some, full stop, down
down
to the
full
just
stop नहीं है
done to the last penny,
down to the
last done to the last penny, if of the money
all the
to
money
do was it ready but put down of the table. Oi,
on the table,
the table, full stop, of the table, full stop.
on the
It
table,
everyone is not something amount. This sir, of the table sir पढ़ा तो है,
on the table,
on the table, full stop. It everyone
but
is not, but everyone is not something amount
has the same amount of time.
Has the same amount of the time, full stop. We are of think था sir our 24 hours.
We all have our 24
We are
hours.
our 24 hours each day, and each have everyone
For
before have of and for everyone as it
of us
of us while या willing था
the
या
or
well on
will supply
this will supply just 16 minutes on time.
of
Think
time. पढ़ें जी रमीज यहाँ से.
on time. सर लगता है रमीज भाई गायब हो गए.
उसने कहा समारा सुना रही है, मैं जरा जो है ना जी रमीज पढ़ें, फिर आप ही पढ़ें आगे.
तो मैं सुना दूँ.
आपने लिखा है यहाँ से.
Okay.
सर मैंने यहाँ
से लिखा है get very little done full stop. This is not the result
आपने
of
आगे
any-
से लिखा है,
Yes, sir.
यहाँ से नहीं आपने लिखा हुआ, आपने काफ़ी आगे से लिखा. पढ़ें जी आप ही फिर.
60 minutes on time. Thing have an in
No more
lost
and no less.
no more and no less a minute
The minute.
in minute
The minute.
while the minute sir well है ना while give as give is
Give
10
us
seconds with give us 10 seconds in
60 seconds.
more 16 sir मैंने 10 लिखा 60 seconds and more
No more
of
and no less.
no more and no less, and there is nothing whatever that we can it about do about it to a full stop as we may.
एक मिनट रुकें जरा.
More time we
the minute will give us 60 minutes 60 seconds and no more and no less, full stop. And there is nothing whatever that we can do about it, full stop. True as we try as we may, full stop. Sometimes we long to make time pass more quickly because we are waiting for something wonderful wonderful to and sometimes we long to make the time pass less quickly because we look the present moment so much, full stop. जी sir.
We like the present moment.
We like the present moment so much, full stop. Science has done such which has done such wonderful things, has not yet found a way to change this regular passing of time, full stop.
ये आगे कंटिन्यू रखें.
जी सर. It cannot, सर बताना. It does not seem certain, comma, however, comma, that time is that time is quite the same for everyone, really quite the same for everyone to us, full stop. It is true that we cannot got away from the seconds, comma, minutes, and hours of which day, full stop. But it is
each day.
possible each day, each day possible,
But
uh,
it is.
each day, but it is possible that sometimes have a feeling for time, feeling feeling for time, which is different different from that of other people, full stop.
जी.
आगे सर क्या था?
दिस में.
दिस में,
यहाँ से लिखा
दिस
आपने
में,
मुजम्मिल.
जी सर.
यहाँ से आपने लिखा हुआ दिस में से.
दिस में सर मैंने लिखा हुआ गेट वेरी लिटिल डन फुल स्टॉप.
चलें सुनाए यहाँ से आगे.
Get very little done full stop. This is not the result of any real difference in time itself. However, this probably
It
owing
is
to
probably.
difference. क्या sir?
It is probably.
It is probably owing to difference in a way that our minds work full stop. If one person has a mind that is very quick, that seems the point of some remark on at once that ये था knows
Knows.
the answer to a
knows.
question almost before the question has been asked. That person is certainly likely to do more in any given time than the person who knows to look
Who needs.
Meet
to needs to look its way that
this way,
before
this
हाँ this way है
this away,
this way है खाली way तो नहीं है this way that before ये क्या है before
किधर चले गए?
seen.
saying है
हाँ,
saying point to a
point.
remark and who is true that hard and long before he able to answer a
Before
question full stop.
being, before
नहीं,
being,
before being तो नहीं before being he able to answer a question full stop. That is a difference in the mind, not in the passing
कहाँ
of
से पढ़
time,
रहे
full
हैं?
stop and close.
Difference.
सर खत्म हो गया.
Difference in the mind, not in the passing of time.
एडिशन लिखेंगे.
सर सारे म्यूट कर दो यार खुद को.
सारे बड़े हैं क्लास में. चलें जी. After closure of the prosecution case, the appellant was examined by the learned Sessions Judge Atak under section 342 CRPC full stop. In reply to questions put to him, the appellant replied full stop. The witnesses had deposed against him falsely due to enmity full stop. He was employed as imam of the mosque of which Tariq Nawaz was present and Ghulam Nawaz was secretary of Masjid committee full stop. There had been a dispute between him and said PWs and they expelled him from the mosque, due to which they had fabricated this false story full stop. He never made any extrajudicial confession before them, and nor he was on visiting terms with them full stop. The complainant Tariq Nawaz and Ghulam Nawaz, Muhammad Ali, Yaqub and Zubair PWs belonged to the same group full stop. He was not even on speaking terms with them, and they inconvenience with the complainant, and police fabricated a false story of last seen and extrajudicial confession and the recovery, full stop. Reasons which prevailed upon the learned trial judge to convict the appellant in his own words were as under. In the instant case, the prosecution has not only based its case on last seen evidence and extrajudicial confession, but the same is coupled with recovery of the locked and chain of the deceased, full stop and close. सुनाए जी,
जी सर, मैं सुनाऊं पहले?
आप सुना दें,
सर,
आप सुना दें.
after clear of the prosecution case, the appellant was examined by the learned session judge under section 342 CRPC, full stop. In reply to question to him, appellant replied, full
Put to
stop.
him.
जी सर, put to him, appellant replied, full stop. The witness had ये
Witnesses.
था deposed. The
Witnesses.
witnesses had yes sir, the witnesses had deposed against him
Falsely. Hello.
कॉल आ गई होगी सर जी.
आप पढ़ दें आगे से.
Replied, the witnesses had deposed against him falsely due to enmity. He was to employ his
He
ghulam
was
of
टू नहीं है. He was employed
he was employed his
as
as imam of the mosque to which Tariq Nawaz
which नहीं,
was
of which.
Tariq Nawaz was present, and Imam was secretary,
Ghulam Nawaz
and Ghulam Nawaz was secretary to
of टू ऑफ को हर जगह टू टू क्यों पढ़ रहे हो आप?
their
of
their
मस्जिद
had been
कमेटी.
declared exhibit committee,
मस्जिद कमेटी.
Masjid committee. There had been declared nothing
A
on
dispute
and
between him. There had been a dispute.
there had been a dispute
जी सर. सर आवाज नहीं आ रही थी
नहीं.
सर. क्लास मेरी था सर. सुने फिर एनमिटी तक सुन लिया था आपने, आगे सुन ले.
मैं
थोड़ा सा पढ़ने दे, फिर आगे सुना दियो.
चलो जी.
Due to enmity, full stop. He was employed as imam of the mosque of which Tariq Nawaz was present, and Ghulam Nawaz was secretary of Masjid committee, full stop. There had been a dispute between him and said prosecution witnesses, full stop, and them expelled him
And
from
they.
the and they line पे नहीं लिखा, and they expelled him from the mosque, due to which was have fabricated he appellants
Fabricated
to
this false story.
fabricated
this false story,
Full stop.
to stop. He never him extrajudicial
Never
confession never made extrajudicial confession
Any.
before
in
that.
extrajudicial
Any.
क्या सर?
Made
made any extrajudicial confession before them, and no, he was on visiting term with them, full stop. Complainant Tariq Nawaz and Ghulam Nawaz, Muhammad Ali, Yaqub and Zubair PWs belong in
आगे
the
मैं
same,
सुनाता हूँ.
full stop.
ये पढ़ लो अगला. आपको दोबारा लिखवा दूंगा.
He was
Belonged
near.
to the same group.
वो तो पढ़ लिया ना सर. belong in the same group, full stop. He was nor can
Not
term with them, and
not
they
even
जी sir,
even on speaking terms with them.
even on speaking term with them, and they know convenience with the complainant in
Inconvenience
appellant's inconvenience with the complainant in appellant's fabricated
and
false story
police
of sir
and police complainant के बाद and police fabricated
police fabricated appellant story
a
of
false
last
story,
seen
false
false
story.
sir लिखा हुआ है fabricated false story of last seen and extrajudicial confession and the recovery full stop, reasons which prevailed upon the learned trial judge to convict appellant in his own words were as under. In the instant case prosecution has not only best it is case on law in the instant case prosecution has not only best it is case of
Based
last on it is case on last seen evidence and extrajudicial confession of the same coupled with recovery of the locked in change of the
and
deceased
and chain and chain
and change of the deceased
change नहीं chain
क्या सर
chain
चेन अच्छा चेन सी एच आई एन चेन ठीक
समारा
है
भी
सर
पढ़ेंगी आप
जी सर।
पढ़ेंगी आप
नो सर।
चलें जी लिखें ठहरें एक मिनट मैं आ रहा हूँ ठहरें चलें जी स्टार्ट On extrajudicial confession, the Supreme Court of Pakistan in the case of Sajid Mumtaz versus Basharat 2006 SCMR 231 had held another most important and natural purpose of making extrajudicial confession is to seek help from a third person, full stop. Help is sought firstly with a person is sufficiently trapped, and secondly from one who is authoritative socially or officially, full stop. The witnesses in hand before whom the concessions are said to have been made are of no social or official status, full stop. And further, as observed by the federal court, we would reiterate, especially referring to this part of the country, that extrajudicial confessions have almost become a norm when the prosecution cannot otherwise succeed, full stop. Rather, it may be observed with concern as well as with regard that when the investigating officer fails to properly investigate the case, he resorts to padding and concoctions like extrajudicial confessions, full stop. Such confessions by now have become the signs of incompetent investigation, full stop. A judicial mind, before relying upon such weak type of evidence capable of being effortless procured, must ask a few questions like why the accused should at all confess, what is the time lag between the occurrence and the confession, whether the accused had been fully trapped during investigation before making the confession, full stop. What is the nature and gravity of the offense involved, what is the relationship or friendship of the witnesses with the maker of confession, and what above all is the position or authority held by the witness and close. सुनाएं जी रमीज़. रमीज़
जी सर.
सुनाएं.
Extrajudicial confession.
On extrajudicial.
On extrajudicial confession, the Supreme Court of Pakistan in the case of Sajid versus
साजिद
Bashir,
मुमताज़.
Sajid Mumtaz versus Bashir 2006
बशारत.
SCMR
बशारत.
बशारत, उसके बी लगा देते इसलिए बशारत. 2006 SCMR 231 had held another most important and natural purpose of make extrajudicial confession. Making extrajudicial confession is to trap
is to seek.
held.
is to see held from
Seek help.
authority.
Help.
ये held
Help.
from authoritative person.
Third
help
From a third person.
From a third person.
Yes, sir.
From a third person held is
Help.
sought.
Help is
Sought. Firstly, that with a person is
When
s-
a person.
when a person लिखवाया था.
When a person.
When a person is
sir with
Sufficient-
लिखवाया था आपने with a person.
sir,
When a person.
with लिखा था हमने.
चलो
अच्छा,
आगे
बस
चलो.
when a person is sophisticated, sufficiently trapped, and secondly from one who is authoritative, social or official. Full stop. The witness
Socially और officially नहीं लिखवाया था सर आपने.
Socially
हाँ
and
जी,
socially or officially.
or official. Officially. Full stop. Socially or officially. Full stop. The witness in hand.
Witnesses.
Witnesses.
The witness is in hand before not
Before
the
home.
concise.
Before home.
Before home था, not था.
Home.
Before home, the concise, which is not
Concession.
concession.
Confession या concession.
सर concession लिखवाया था.
शायद concession बोल दिया. Confession है जी.
Concession or concession which is not said to have been
Are said to.
are said to have been made, which of
which नहीं
any
are.
are of no social or official status. Full stop. And further as
Observed.
observed by the federal court, whether would reiterated
We would.
reiterated
Reiterate.
reiterate special referring to have been specially referring to have been part of the country
To this part of the country.
क्या हो गया भाई?
to this part of the country which extrajudicial confession
That-
have almost
That extra.
that extrajudicial confession have been almost became
Have
a
been,
normal.
There
have
have been तो नहीं था.
have था have
Yes.
have almost
जी sir. Have almost became a normal
Become.
with the
A
prosecution.
norm था सिर्फ.
norm
Normal.
A norm
हाँ जी सर.
जी norm
with the prosecution.
when
When the prosecution.
यार लिखा when the prosecution otherwise succeeded
Not otherwise.
cannot otherwise
चले यहाँ
succeed.
समारा को थोड़ा सा मौका देते हैं. समारा है या गायब हो गई है? मोबाइल में गायब. ये गायब है. जी मिस समारा आप हैं? नहीं है. हाँ जी.
पढ़ो सर जी आगे.
पढ़ें जी।
which may be observed with
Rather it may be. Rather it may be.
रादर ही है।
rather it may be observed that concern as well
With concern.
we regard
With concern.
with concern as well as we
With
as well as
regard.
with regard that when the investigation official falls properly
Investigating officer.
Investigating.
हाँ investigating officer falls properly
Fails.
investigate
Fails to
Fails.
properly.
fails properly
To properly.
investigate
Too
the
properly.
through properly or too properly
Too properly.
to properly investigate the report
The case.
report to point
Case he reports to.
He resorts
He resorts.
source to point
to
Then
padding.
resorts है, reports है
Padding
Resorts
and
to padding.
cautious.
Concoctions.
Cautious.
Concoctions.
concoctions law lacks
Like.
extrajudicial confession full stop such conviction by no have
Confessions.
became confessions
Such confessions नहीं है confession है सिर्फ.
such
Confessions.
confession by no have became science of
The signs of
the science of interpretation investigation the
Incompetent
judicial
investigation.
incompetent.
इनसे सही नहीं लिखा गया, ये बहुत ज़्यादा गलती है। चलें जी, आप पढ़ें मुसम्मिल।
Full stop judicial before relying such weak type of evidence. ये था capable of being ये था being FR और LS.
Effortlessly.
Effortlessly
Procured.
sorry procured must ask a few questions like by the accused who at all
Should.
should at all convicts
Confess.
what is the confess what is the time like between the occurrence
Lag.
and the
Lag.
lag between the occurrence and the conviction whether
Confession.
the accused confession whether the accused have been
Had been.
have had been
Had been.
had been failed
Fully.
fully trapped during information before the
Investigation.
making the investigation before the making confession. What is the another of
What is the nature?
nature
Nature.
of
Nature and
KR,
gravity.
ग्रेविटी सर लिखा हुआ है, ये देखें सिर्फ उसको, ये रहा सर
Hmm.
नेचर ऑफ ग्रेविटी ऑफ द ये था कन्वीनियंस नहीं एंड
Gravity of the offense. सही तो लिखा हुआ है आपने।
ग्रेविटी यस सर, बस पता नहीं क्या हुआ, पढ़ा नहीं जा रहा हूँ। पहले जब रमीज पढ़ा था तब गलतियां निकाल रहा था, अब नहीं पढ़ा जा रहा। ग्रेविटी ऑफ द ऑफेंस
ऐसे ही होता है, ये भी सही लिखा हुआ है। Involved.
and involved what is the relation or
but
friendship
it is
of,
but it
नहीं,
is
what is the
relationship
What is the
relationship, what is the relationship or friendship of the witnesses with the maker of confession and ये ऊपर है and what
बहुत
above
मोटा
of
कर दिया, what मोटा लिख
what
दिया।
above yes sir,
बारीक लिखना
what
था।
above सर नेक्स्ट टाइम ब्रेक लिखो। what above of ये है सर what
Above
above
all.
of all, ये all ये मोटा लिखना, ये हल्का लिखा हुआ all,
Is the.
पता नहीं सर अब ये क्या लिख
Is the.
is
सही तो लिखा
सर
हुआ
ये
है।
जल्द is the सर अब पसीने छूट गए हैं पढ़ने की बजाय। is the best or
Position.
authority held possession or
Possession नहीं,
position or
Hmm.
position or authority held by the witnesses, full stop and close।
Witnesses नहीं है यहाँ, witness है। आप हर जगह यहाँ उल्ट कर गए आप।
सुनाते वक्त सर जी वाकई पसीने छूट जाते हैं।
यस सर।
चलें
सर
ठीक
मुझे
है
तो बुखार था, मुझे तो इसलिए पसीने छोड़ गया। अच्छी बात है, बुखार उतर गया है।
ठीक है जी चलो जी
ओके सर। शुक्रिया सर।